Saving money can be hard. In a society filled with all sorts of temptations, from the latest fashion trends to the newest gadgets and devices, it can be difficult to stick with your financial goals. That said, there are practical solutions you can use to help keep more money in your pocket. Practical money saving tips will equip you with the know how you need for successful financial planning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced saver looking for extra ways to boost your budgeting efforts. In this video, we share 11 simple yet effective pointers on how you can save smarter and live better. The first thing to do, and the most important, is make a budget and stick to it. Creating and sticking to a budget is a great way to take control of your finances, while simultaneously achieving your financial goals. The key is to be specific in mapping out how you plan on allocating your money, and staying disciplined when it comes to actually sticking to it. Breaking down expenses into categories like housing, food, savings, and entertainment can make it more digestible for yourself and easier for you to track where your money is going each month. By carefully monitoring your finances and adjusting accordingly if need be, you are sure to save some extra cash for anything the future may bring. Saving tip number 2. Pay yourself first. Paying yourself means making decisions about where your hard-earned money should be allocated, starting with prioritizing yourself. This can include setting aside money for retirement savings or other investments, or allocating money to help fund your hobbies and passions. By treating yourself as a priority from the start and separating funds to put towards personal endeavors, you'll be taking positive steps towards securing a financial future while also actively investing in your present. Paying yourself first allows you to put your own ambitions ahead of anyone else's, and takes responsibility for your financial well-being out of someone else's hand. It is an empowering move that comes with lasting rewards. Saving tip number 3. Know your expenses. Knowing exactly what your expenses are each month is essential for financial success. Whether it's rent, utilities, food, or entertainment, every expense should be tracked and mapped out in order to effectively manage your budget. This level of detail helps you identify areas for cost-saving opportunities and places where you can have more financial flexibility. When you become aware of all the costs associated with your lifestyle choices, this knowledge empowers you to make smart financial decisions that will help secure a better future. Saving tip number 4. Don't procrastinate. Procrastination can be an inhibitor to achieving goals. While it is often tempting to put off tasks for a later time, this tactic can become destructive if its frequency increases. Procrastinating can lead to decreased productivity, where important assignments are left incomplete or skimmed over with less attention than they would have otherwise been given. Consequently, it is important to stay conscious of one's tendencies towards procrastination and recognize when it has become a counterproductive habit. Making a conscious effort to work on tasks in a timely manner leads not only to more productive results but also a better well-being associated with stress management. Saving tip number 5. Automate your savings so you're automatically transferring money into your savings account each month. Automating your savings is one of the most important steps towards creating financial stability. When you transfer money into a savings account on a regular basis, you are able to build a financial cushion that can help absorb any challenges or opportunities that may arise in the future. Automating these transfers helps to ensure that you stay disciplined with your saving goals, ultimately leading to greater financial insight and stability. Furthermore, automated savings accounts often offer higher interest rates than ordinary saving accounts, allowing your funds to grow quicker and facilitate better earning for the future. Take control of your financial success by automating your savings today. Saving tip number 6. Use more often cash than cards. Using cash as opposed to cards is a great way to stay on top of your expenses, and it can help correct financial bad habits. It can be difficult to resist the temptation of credit cards when they are so easy to access and use. But in the long run, staying within the boundaries of cash transactions will help you save money by preventing unnecessary spending. Cash payments allow direct accountability tracked in real time since each payment must be made when it's due and with an amount that you have provided. Not only will this diminish stress associated with debt, it may also be more rewarding knowing that each purchase you make has been well thought out beforehand. On top of this, relying on cash payments more often than not leads to less impulse buys because you are more aware of how much you are spending day to day. Saving tip number 7. Cut back on unnecessary expenses like going out to eat or buying new clothes every season. Constantly going out to eat or buying new clothes every season can be fun, but it can also leave your wallet feeling drained. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses like these is one of the best things you can do for your financial health. Taking this approach to your spending could really shift your finances into a more secure position while allowing you to enjoy the occasional splurge. Working on budgeting and cutting back helps to create positive spending habits. So when you're ready to save more money or invest in something bigger, you'll have necessary resources and healthy wallet habits that will help push you towards any future financial goals. Saving tip number 8. Shop around for the best deals on groceries, clothing, and other necessary items. This is a great way to maximize your savings on all kinds of necessary items. Whether you're looking for groceries, clothing, or everyday items like paper towels, taking some time to compare prices between different stores can make all the difference. Unlike in years past where you would have to physically visit multiple stores in person to look for better prices, modern technology has made it easier than ever to quickly check online and see which stores offers the lowest prices. Keep in mind that there may be additional hidden benefits, like reward programs or coupons that may make one store's offerings more attractive while still being competitively priced. Shopping around also gives you the opportunity to find unique products or limited time offers that can add real value and make your purchases feel special. So next time you need something, don't forget to shop around and make sure you get the best deal possible. Saving tip number 6. Know the purpose of saving. One of the most important steps in setting financial goals is knowing the purpose of saving. Establishing a sound savings plan today could have lasting implications for your financial security down the road. When done properly, savings can provide an extra layer of protection during times of unexpected hardship and can help you achieve long-term financial stability. Setting aside money in savings regularly can also help build credit over time and provide options for purchasing bigger items, like a car or home later on. Developing positive saving habits and considering all areas that require budgeting are two important steps towards gaining control of your financial future. Saving tip number 10. Invest in yourself by taking courses or learning new skills that can help you make more money. Investing in yourself can be an excellent way to increase your earning potential. Taking courses and learning new skills can help you set yourself apart from other job seekers, making you more marketable. If you are interested in advancing or changing your career path, taking a class or educating yourself on the necessary skill sets may open doors while strengthening your resume. Finding the right course that fits your lifestyle and budget can be challenging, but it often pays off in the long run. Not only will you enjoy the confidence obtained by reaching a personal goal, but in many cases you'll also have the opportunity to make more money as a result of your improved qualifications. Saving tip number 11. Live below your means by choosing cheaper housing options and driving an older car. Living below your means can help you develop financial independence and lead to financial freedom. By choosing cheaper housing options and driving an older car, you can save money that can be used to reach your financial goals. Investing in a more affordable home or older vehicle may require more maintenance and time. However, it also gives you the opportunity to purchase items like stocks or bonds, pay off debt, and build up an emergency fund for the future. Consider these better choices now and you'll be standing on firmer footing down the road. You can save money without much effort if you know where to start. Applying all or even some of the tips we discussed will help you regain control over your finances. Do not be discouraged if you cannot save as much as you would like at first. Small changes always makes a big difference in the long run. Putting even just a few of these money-saving tips into practice can impact your budget in a big way. Try out a few and see what works best for you and your family. You'll be surprised at how much easier it is to save than you think. Now we're at the end of this video. If you got value from this video, you'll also like these videos. Thanks for spending time with us.